Every single person's life is being impacted by the rapidly escalating coronavirus pandemic around the globe. These unprecedented times have dramatically changed how we live our lives, from our health and safety to how we interact with the citizens and communities of our world. In these trying times, His Holiness Mahan Swami Maharaj, on the 18th of March 2020, reached out to all around the world and offered his deepest prayers for each one of us who are directly or indirectly affected by this pandemic. He has guided and inspired all of us by asking for humanity to unite across countries, cultures, religions, and science to protect, safeguard, and support each other. He emphasizes that the foundation of our severe perseverance should be the power of our personal prayers. In Australia, BAPS Swaminarayan Sanstha is serving and supporting the many impacted around the country by organizing a Vedic Mahapuja led by sadhus through a webcast which was conducted in the households of devotees all over Australia to offer their personal prayers for the well-being of all citizens, for the brave medical professionals, healthcare workers, and frontline staff who are selflessly serving for the betterment of humanity. BAPS has been serving hot meals on a daily basis in centres like Gold Coast, Melbourne, Perth, Brisbane, Adelaide and Sydney to support many international students who are currently unable to find a source of income to support their livelihoods.
During the coronavirus, many families are doing it tough, whether they have an income at the moment. Some have lost their jobs, others are finding it hard to meet their bills. In crises like these, it's great to see the idea here is coming together and helping those that need help, and they're starting with their essential goods, their food goods, so that they can actually live from day to day.
In Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide, Perth, Canberra and Sydney, sadhus and volunteers have created essential care packages for individuals and families who are unable to access items due to loss of income support or due to self-isolation. These care packages have been sourced as a compassionate gesture and through the goodwill of local BAPS volunteers who have been complying with local regulations to proactively support those in need. Through these care packages, BAPS has donated more than 30,000 kilograms of necessary items to support those in need in our communities.
Since the Second World War. Most people who've grown up here have no idea what it's like to have look at rationing food or restricting people's movements. It's a really challenging time for a lot of people. But it's something that we need to do and we need to take really seriously. So I really thank you for your efforts to bring the community together.
BAPS has made a nationwide appeal to its volunteers, devotees and well-wishers through its online webcasts of weekly congregations to support the request for blood donation and plasma by the Australian Red Cross.
Swami Maharaj taught us that in the joy of others lies our own. And here, through the inspiration of Mahan Swami, His Divine Holiness has inspired the BAPS community here in Mill Park, Melbourne, Australia to develop over 500 food packs for those who urgently need assistance. So those who are affected by COVID-19 right now can call a number that's provided to them here, and the wonderful volunteers at BAPS here in Melbourne, Australia will take these food packs out to them. BAPS is a wonderful community. They do so much for us here with blood donations, with helping the community at times of crisis like the bushfires we've had here, the floods we've had here, and now COVID-19. Can I say on behalf of the Parliament of Victoria to the BAPS movement right across the globe, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Through the inspiration and under the guidance of His Holiness Mahan Swami Maharaj, BAPS Swaminarayan Sanstha will keep continuing to provide assistance and support to the community.